Hello everyone, I'm SeeJeanty, your host for Haiti BizNews News. Here are the headlines for today, August 25th. $378 aftershocks in 10 days. Reconstruction will cost $1.12 billion when it comes to the south of Haiti affected by the earthquake of the 14th of August. In Western Union, cancellation fees until August 31st. We'll be back for the development of those news. As you know guys, we always invite you to go on SeeJeanty channel on YouTube to watch a video. So right now we're inviting you to go watch the unboxing video of 101 ways to make money in Haiti, a guide for success in transitioning to Haiti. This is by SeeJeanty. This book is really for highlighting lucrative business ideas, insightful success stories, and interesting business opportunities for visionary entrepreneurs. Go watch it, and after that buy a copy. We have to remind you that everything we talk about here are available as article on our website, Haiti BizNews. And we have updates for you on the new numbers registered when it comes to report on the earthquake that happened to the south of Haiti on the 14th of August. We have 2,207 deaths, 12,268 injured, 344 missing persons, and 52,000 and more houses damaged. And also guys, we have recorded 378 aftershocks in 10 days, which is very concerning. And right now the center said that after the earthquake recorded on Saturday, August 14, one of the first aftershock had a magnitude of 6 degrees, and the following ones were 5.8, 5.5 and 5.3, which is still very critical because that means that we can have more aftershock and they can be of greater magnitude. So we still need to be alert and we still need help because every day people keep getting affected by this earthquake. And when it comes to assistance and donation and also reinforcement, we have 40 French rescuers as reinforcement on Haitian soil. They came here to assist, and they also came with a lot of treatment unit, and they are right now on Lekai, and they are providing a lot of assistance. And also they are assisting us with drinking water, and they are doing a great job with that. And also French has been providing a lot of money also as donation for assistance regarding this earthquake. So this is everything we have for you on updates on the earthquake as of today. Reconstruction of Haiti, reconstruction of the south of Haiti after the earthquake is estimated to be of $1.12 billion. Reconstruction of damages in the south of Haiti after the earthquake of the 14th of August would cost $1.12 billion according to the first assessment on the matter, according to Prime Minister Ariel Henry. And he says that there was a lot of damages, there was also a lot of losses, and after the first satellite impact assessment, this is what this reconstruction will cost Haiti. So we are waiting for donation. Haiti is really in need of a lot of donation when it comes to the reconstruction of the south of Haiti, because the earthquake really did a lot of damages, and right now we have to start thinking about reconstruction, and this is a great way to start thinking how you can assist. And remember, if you want to donate to Haiti, you can find great organization, local organization, and you can find a lot of them on the discussion section of this show, because we list for you a lot of great organizations that you can donate to. We have to thank our sponsors, because without them this will not be able to be possible. I'm talking about the show, of course. We have Value Cannes, which is Haiti's #1 appliance and furniture retailer. They're doing a great job here and also abroad. If you are Haitian, if you are someone who have people living in Haiti, you can buy it directly from their website and they will deliver it to your loved one right at their door. And also we have Hypo Distribution, which is an export-based distribution company that is exporting tobacco leaves, coffee, cassava, and so many other agricultural products. And also guys, Hypo Distribution is looking for wholesalers in America. If you're interested and if you're looking for new business partners, please contact us at info@hypo.solutions. And also we need to thank the private WhatsApp group. We want to thank the SeeJeanty private WhatsApp group, the SeeJeanty Patreon, whose contribution while building an action-oriented community is a big part to what makes this show happen. And if you want to be part of this great show as a sponsor, if you want to be featured in our show, please contact us because we are looking for sponsors. And you can contact us at sponsor@hypo.solutions. We are waiting for you. And guys, Western Union is waiving fees on transfers going to Haiti. Western Union is waiving transfers fees on consumers' money transfers from retail location in the US to bank account in Haiti through August 31st, 2001. Which means that if you're doing transfers in the US from a Western Union retail location to a bank account in Haiti, you will not pay any fee for that transfer until August 31st, which is a great thing that Western Union is doing to assist affected people here in Haiti. Also through Western Union Foundation, Western Union is helping and also is committed to partners in health known as Zami La Santé to provide money donation because they already did a donation of $150,000 to assist and also provide assistance to the affected here in Haiti of the earthquake of the 14th of July. We have to remind you guys that SeeJeanty is on all social media platforms. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You can go and like, share, comment, and give us recommendation everywhere. We are waiting for you. So that was everything for today, guys. We are going to meet you again tomorrow for another episode of Haiti BizNews. This was Tenny Pierre-Etienne, your host for Haiti BizNews. We will see you tomorrow.